Yo man, what's going? Today I just wanted to do a quick channel update for you guys. I have a couple things I want to discuss with you, and something I think you guys will enjoy, so stay tuned till the end. First things first, we're approaching the 2,000 subscriber mark, which is really awesome. I really appreciate all you guys supporting the channel, and I'm glad to see people enjoying the content. This is a great community, and I'm glad to be a part of it and see it grow. So I thought it'd maybe be time for something like a Q&A, maybe answer some questions you may have about me, the channel, YouTube, and of course, soap. We've never done anything like that on the channel, so I think it may be fun. It looks like we'll hit the 2,000 milestone in December, which is also nice because that's the 2-year anniversary of the channel as well. So I'd like to go ahead and start collecting questions in the comment section here so I can gather them up and have the video out around December. So please leave any questions you may have, whether it's about the channel, Dr. Squatch, whatever it may be. I probably won't answer them now, but I'll save them for later. Now the other big thing that I think will be really cool to do is a community ranking of Dr. Squatch bars. I want to see how all of you would rank the bricks, and put that into a video. I think that'd be really interesting and give a voice to the community as a group, to really see just how all the bricks fare. I mean, that'd be the most accurate ranking list out there, especially if we can get a good amount of Squatchers involved. If that's something you would be interested in, let me know. I'm not quite sure the best way to go about it, as there's like 60 bars now, so I think we'd have to do something either like you tell me your top 10 bars, and that gives each a point with maybe the top 5 getting 2, or maybe we do something like a bracket, where each week we'll pit bars against each other. You vote on it, then we move on like as a weekly thing, round by round. So it'd be something like a playoff system. I don't know, let me know what you guys think would be the best way to do it. So yeah, that's going to do it for today. I do have a really big announcement coming probably in the next couple days though, something I'm really excited for, so stay tuned for that. Let me know any questions you may have for the Q&A, and let me know what you think about the community rankings idea. I appreciate it, mains. Now do me a favor and stay nifty.
Yeah, man!